Can an LLC do 1031 exchange? Yes, an LLC can do a 1031 exchange, but it only applies to real estate held for investment or business purposes. A 1031 exchange allows the LLC to sell one property and reinvest the proceeds into another like-kind property without immediately paying capital gains taxes. For the exchange to qualify, the property must be investment or business property, not personal property. The LLC must identify a replacement property within 45 days of selling the old one and close on the purchase within 180 days. A qualified intermediary is required to handle the transaction, so the LLC never takes possession of the funds directly. This strategy is commonly used by real estate investors who hold property in an LLC and want to grow or shift their portfolio while deferring taxes. However, the rules are strict and mistakes can disqualify the exchange. Zen Business can form your LLC so you're set up to hold real estate and take advantage of tax strategies like a 1031 exchange. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.